everybody, it's Carla, and I'm going to show you something a little bit different. It's still resin related, but I was packing and I found this crate box that I have had for, gosh, maybe 10 years. You know, you guys see these all the time. It was painted white. It was really disgusting, and I was throwing it away, and then I thought, wait a minute. I made some of my own chalk paint. You know, the cornstarch recipe, super easy. I did it in a real pale yellow. Worked way better than I thought it was going to work. I put a couple coats on this only because I changed my color a few times. It started out way too bright, and then it went to this color I like right now, which is buttery. So what I'm gonna do is, on the bottom of this, I was thinking, what can I put on this to kind of jazz it up? And then I remembered I have all of this, let me stir it up a little. All of this leftover pieces of resin that I've pulled out of cups, and I set today and I chopped it all up. So I'm gonna try to put this in here using 8 ounces of resin. Cross your fingers, okay? Now this won't take, I won't even say it. I'm hoping that this won't take that long. I do need to watch out for these giant pieces though that are sticking up in there. And yeah, let's see what happens. If I don't have enough of this to cover the bottom, I mean, I'm sure that the resin will cover the bottom, but I mean the recycled resin pieces, I probably shouldn't put it all in there. What am I doing? What am I doing? What's she doing? Changing her mind in the middle of what she said? No, don't do that. Okay, so now I'm gonna stir in these chopped up resin pieces. Most of them I chopped up with scissors. Some of them I had to use my pliers. And the only thing is, I'm going to have to make sure that these lay down flat. And then I think it'll be okay. So this isn't rocket science. I don't think this leaks. But I figured I'll find out, right? So I'm not going to stress. But I'm going to just go ahead, I think, and plop in the... Okay, you get my picture here, how cute this is going to be. Oh my God. I literally took this out of the trash. Threw it in the trash. I thought, that's so gross. I don't want that in my new place. And then all of a sudden I went, oh, I can try that chalk paint I wanted to make on that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and dump it all in. And then, you know, if I have to add glitter, I can do that. I have more resin pieces to chop up, but I just don't really have time. Oh, I have some left. Okay. So I'm going to get this all in here. Just add what I can, and I'm going to add the rest of all of it because I know I'm going to need it. There's not enough to make anything anyway. So let me just go ahead and add the rest in here. Begin pressing down. Okay, I'm just going to move this around. Try to find any pieces that aren't going to lay down. It's hard for me to see. I got to go like this. Get a good base down here. Yeah, this is going to be really pretty. I don't actually need it to be super thick. I'm seeing that now. It's like there's a big old weird snake looking piece. Put you in there. Yeah, any pieces that just don't want to lie down flat are going to have to come out. I bought myself at Hobby Lobby when they were having the 75% off on their bedding a beautiful coverlet, kind of this color. That's why I'm like, oh, okay, because this is going to be, well, it's a tiny apartment, okay. Now see, there's another one that's not going to lay flat, so it's got to go back into the old drawing board. You too. No, it might lay flat. Nope, it's not going to lay flat. See, when I was cutting them, I didn't have this in mind. I was just doing it. And I know another thing too is I don't think this has to be perfectly flat. Is my head in here? My lovely hair. God, this should already be done because it's Mother's Day and I waited all day for my son to call. My daughter called me early this morning, or texted me and then called me tonight. Texted me to say, I'm going to call you tonight, so she knew I wouldn't just sit here and be like, nobody loves me. Which I do that all the time. Nobody loves me. Boo-hoo. Hey, I think this is going to be just fine. Let me turn it around so I can get a perspective on it. Oh, no, those pieces, that's just a gnarly sticking up in your face piece. No, no, no. Yeah, let me get the big gnarly ones out. That's another one. Okay. Yeah, I could add glitter in here if I needed to. Like if I'm like, it just really missing a spot. It's so cute. Oh, I'm so excited. Basically, this is all there is to it. If you've never made chalk paint before and you want to paint something, it's so easy. And people had mixed reviews about the cornstarch, but honestly, it went on so well. And I don't have any complaints. So let me see if I have some more pieces. Oh, what I was saying was Mother's Day, you know, so I sat and waited. So I just did this while I was just dilly-dallying around, you know. And so finally, you know, I talked to everybody that I'm going to talk to today, and then sit down to do this video. And these two gloves are the only two gloves that I have. So then I had to get on Amazon, get some more gloves. Let me just sprinkle some of this in here, and then I'll push it down. This is what I have left. Let's just do that. And I'm going to get my gloves dirty because I'm not, I have new gloves coming tomorrow. And I don't need gloves to show you this when it's dry. And also I might put a resin coat on this because I have the 1 hour promise. Yep, you gotta go too. Now I don't think those pieces are gonna get wasted because I do have more of my recycled resin bits. You can tell the colors I've been using lately. Oh, lots of blue and yellows and pinky reds, teal. Okay, this over here needs a little bit more. Flatten that out, spread that out. Oh my God, this is gonna be so cute. And I think I'll get rid of you and get off me. Where's anything else sticking up? You guys could probably see way better than I can. Don't stick up. You're sticking up like a sharp knife, waiting to attack me at night. Yeah. Especially if I put this by my bed. I like it because I could put the cord for the phone through these slats, like down here. And then not have to always be looking at cords. I hate cords. I don't even like cords at all. They look terrible and they're always tangled. Always tangled. Every single time. Oh my God, look how cute this is. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle on, I'm getting cramps in my hands. Sprinkle on some glitter, why not? This is glow-in-the-dark white glitter. Always be able to find your bed. All right, I'm gonna just give that a little, oh, that's what fell, my lid. Okay, I'm just gonna give this just a little tappy, some taps. Just give it some taps, get it down in there, and hopefully I won't have to sand anything. I might as well not do it if I have to sand it. Ugh. I need an electric sander. That would change nothing because I would still hate doing it. I would still absolutely hate it. Oh, that's a big old chunky piece. That's gotta go. Come on. Come on. I wish this was a carnival game. Whew. All right, so I think I got it. Okay, guys. Yeah, I don't know. I'll come back tomorrow when I get I don't need my gloves to show you. But we'll take a peek at it tomorrow when it's had time to sit and cure. See if it's made any amazing, like, puddles. I wake up and my desk is permanently fixed to the floor. Okay. Wow. So what do you think? I think it's going to be amazing. Amazing. And colorful. That's what I want. Neutrals and then bright colors. I love you guys. I'll be back when this is ready to show you. See? But I mean show you when it's dry and we can just touch it. Okay. Okay. This is dry. It's got some sharp edges in it that I'm going to have to go in and put another layer of resin on. And I think what I'll do is when I have extra resin, I'll just add a little bit at a time. Came out, I think, adorable. I purposely made this a little blotchy. Like I came in and I added, oh, I don't have it out, some glow-in-the-dark yellow acrylic paint. Just little bits, because this came out so jewel toned that I felt like that pale, hold on, come on, focus. I felt, hello, like the pale yellow just really didn't sit well with it. So yeah, it's really pretty, really pretty. So now another thing that I was doing was on the side here, let me show you, because I'm gonna, well, I'll just show you. It was an idea I had to put on some of those Alice in Wonderland stickers that I got. There, it's focused. And so I just used some of those to do this, and I think it's really cute. I don't have a top coat over it yet, but yeah, I think it's really cute. It goes with this fine, but I think also it would have been just cute to paint this and then put this on. But I am going to put a coat of resin. I'm going to use the 1 hour cure because I can literally put it on without it running off, and I'm going to try. But for sure on the sides I'm going to do it, and maybe do something on this other side too. I don't know. So I wanted to show you this. And I don't know if any of you guys remember this turtle that I made that was kind of boring. I took my silver Let's Resin marker. Come on, you can do it. You know better. Actually looks really cute now with the little bits of the sparkle and the silver. So I love you guys. I love you. And I will see you in the next video, and hopefully share with you what they're going to do about my knee, because my knee is ripped. ACL is ripped off the bone, and also I've got some meniscus tears, some lateral one horizontal ones and some vertical ones. Yep, I've got two kinds of tears in my meniscus and ripped off the ACL from the bone, my knee, on my knee. So I'm probably gonna have to have surgery. Just found out today. I am happy though because I know what's wrong with me finally. Okay, that's it. I love you. I'll see you later, and I hope you have a beautiful day. No matter what you do or don't do, do it with passion and have a good time. I love you. More sore throat for some reason. Oh, yeah. Always something. Okay.